Hey, in this video, we're going to go over what exactly is the 61.8 to 70% Fibonacci pullback trade. I think this is one of the most powerful trades you could do as a trader. This is one of my top 5 trading strategies that I use on a daily basis to make money in the markets. Now, I mainly focus on the S&P E-mini futures, so that's what we're going to go over in this video. But you could use this on anything: Apple, NASDAQ, Dow, Costco, any stock, any crypto. It works all the same. And one of the reasons I believe it works so well is because it's a lot of algo trading that does the trading, and that's why these work so well, because computers see this pattern and they trade directly off it. Very little emotion, and that gives us our edge, understanding why they work so well. So in this video, I'm going to kind of go over how, just kind of run through a couple minutes of how to look for these, what to look for, and all that. Now, if you want to kind of learn this strategy even deeper, down below in the links, or go to my website, Day Trading Fearless. I actually have a whole video course on how this works. So it's a very powerful trading strategy, and if you use it with a couple other things, it works very, very well. So let's kind of jump into it. The first thing we're going to do is grab our Fibonacci tool, right? Second thing we want to do is we want to look, are we in an uptrend or a downtrend? And here's a really good example, right? So right here we see we're making a high, a low, a lower high, lower low, lower high, right? Lower low, lower high, higher low. But the minute we take out this high right here, that kind of changes this entire dynamic, and we could see price takes out this high, we pull back, and then it makes a high. Pull back, right? We're making higher highs, higher lows. So this is the first thing we want to do, is kind of figure out this trend of the market. The second thing is, once we see this trend, right, start to kind of reverse, we see this pullback, we could look for a big move like this. Well, we want to grab our Fibonacci tool and just go like this, right? From this low all the way to this high. And what we're looking for is a fish hook, right? We're looking for price to kind of reverse. Think of it as we want to see price go up and then fish hook down, right? On the way down, we want to see price go like this and then fish hook to the upside, right? So when price is going up, we're looking for this pattern, and we're just looking to buy on a retracement for a bounce to make a higher high, something very similar to that. So when we see that fish hook, right, and you could use the reverse waterfall to help figure that out. Again, that's part of the video course. It's my top 5 trading strategies, right? Again, links down below in the description for the entire course, but you'll learn so much from it, because here we come and look at how we pull back to this 61 to 70% pullback, right? That's what we're looking for. What happens? It lines up, the 70 lines up with this breakout, okay, because price kind of broke out from this higher, or from this high, right? Consolidation, and guess what? Old resistance becomes new support, and when it ties in with our 61 to 70, this is where we want to get long, somewhere in here. And then our first target would be 38%, and then your second target could be the 0%, like, or making new highs, right? Depending on how you want to trade this. And in the video, I kind of talk about more of the real nuances, how you manage profits, stop losses, things like that. But in a nutshell, your stop would go right below here, right? This 100%, because you're buying on the pullback. And if price breaks this, then this entire structure is broken and we're now back in the downtrend. But ever since we took out this high, because we're making lower highs, lower lows, right? And then price took out that high, well, guess what? Now we are in an uptrend. And that's all we're doing. We're looking for certain things to trade. You'll see this trade work over and over and over again, right? Right here, we see a pullback, or sorry, a fall, right? We kind of break this whole market structure. So what happens is any bounce back up to the upside, we would want to look for a potential short, right? Draw our Fibonacci extension and look at this. We come right up to the 61.8, which was also the prior support level. Okay, and what does it do? It reverses. Now this one, it just missed the 61 to 70. So sometimes you'll get trades like that, but look at how close we came. We came within a point or two of it. And then price will start to fall, right? And we could go just from here, right? From this entire leg, when we see price start to work its way back up, look at what happens. Price comes right into the 61.8 and rolls back over. So we could do this on micro time frames if we want. Once we saw this structure, right? Lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Guess what? We took out that previous high. So we could have drawn a Fibonacci pullback, and look at that, right to the 618. These happen over and over and over. You just need to know what to look for when you're trading these and kind of understand the market you're in, and they are very, very powerful. Again, if you want to learn more about it, links down below in the description, or just go to daytrainfearless.com. But as always, thank you for watching these videos. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And until next time, we'll talk to you soon.